Finally, the long wait is over. We are here at the Apple Store. Get the new iPhone Pro Max. So let's go! The most anticipated iPhone is here. The big bro of the iPhone. The Alpha. The most capable. The most premium. The most expensive iPhone. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's unbox this bad boy. This is the flagship color of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the Pacific Blue. It includes the Lightning USB-C power cable, the SIM injection tool, pamphlet, and Apple sticker. In this release, no earpods and no power adapter included. For the new iPhone users, welcome to the iOS world. Unfortunately, you need to buy this USB-C power adapter that costs $19 depending on the region you are located. And for the existing iPhone users, iPhone 5 to iPhone 10 users, you can still use your old charger, but charging speed will be slower. And for the iPhone 11 users, you can still use the same power adapter and the Lightning cable with only slight difference in charging speed. Going back in the iPhone 12 Pro Max, we will go through the main feature of the iPhone 12 Pro Max in this video. In-depth discussion and comparison will be in my next video. So, watch out. First impression. Let's say goodbye to the rounded edges and say hello to the squared off edges. The squared off edges is actually a refreshing change, although it has the iPhone 4, iPhone 5 vibe on it, which is actually not disappointing to be honest, and I'm amazed. The feel of the flatter edge, it does feel secure and easy to hold on. Even though it looks thicker, but it's actually thinner than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Believe it or not. Next, let's talk about the finishing. This is the Pacific Blue. They come in silver, graphite, and gold. Textured matte glass back and stainless steel edges on the side. Because it has the shiny edges, of course, it will be a fingerprint magnet. Personally, it doesn't bother me as I will be using the iPhone casing protection. Let me show you the display. The screen has 6.7 Super Retina XDR display in new ceramic shield front that offers 4 times stronger drop of protection. I've always been a big fan of big phones since the release of the iPhone 6 Plus. And the extra 0.2 inches added on its screen display is a plus for me. What do you think? Are you in a big phone or a smaller phone? You can comment down below. The capacity. I have the 128 GB base capacity of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, also available in 256 and 512 GB. What are the new features in the iPhone 12 Pro Max? Supports 5G, super fast downloads, and high-quality streaming. With its new Snapdragon X55 modem LTE and 5G internet connectivity will never be the same. With A14 chipset, this is the fastest chip in a smartphone to date. The built-in GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beldue for better location service experience. Better camera with its additional Dolby HDR video recording up to 60 frames per second, 5 times optical zoom range, Smart HDR3 for photos, censorship optical image stabilization, LiDAR scanner for night mode portraits, faster autofocus in low light, and next level AR experience. Let us see how this new feature compared to its predecessor in my next video. Still water resistant, but now up to maximum depth of 6 meters for a maximum of 30 minutes. The iPhone 12 Pro Max supports the new MagSafe wireless charging, which is also, I will do an unboxing and review, so stay tuned! That's it for me. I hope you enjoy. If you have suggestions, recommendations for the improvement of our channel, or topic you want us to feature, please comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring on the bell button dyan sa baba para updated ka sa aking mga upcoming vlogs. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Bye! Have